Greetings. My name is Bibi Yasmin and I am scholar of Management Sciences in the Business Administration Department of Allama Iqbal Open University. The research topic of my study was the reciprocal relationship among job crafting, work engagement, leader-member exchange and person-environment fit, which is a study on the tourist guide of Pakistan. I will be sharing with you the features of my studies, like the introduction, the definition of the variables, the methodology and the results and the recommendations. As you are well aware that tourism plays an important role in the economic development and generating of opportunities, as well as the foreign trades and building of soft image in Pakistan. Pakistan has a very rich natural resources and diverse touristic places with a dynamic and attractive destination for the tourists. Management of human resources is a very critical issue in the management sciences field. Due to the rapid innovation in the IT sector in every organization, the work skills of the Z generations are also increased. I tried to find out the relationship between the organization and the employees in the tourism and hospitality industry. Job crafting is basically a proactive changes that an employee can design and redesign their work in any organization. Work engagement is what the employees feel passionate and committed to their work in any organization and put their discretionary effort into their work. Leader-member exchange is the relationship between the organization, the leader and the employees, and it increases the performance of the employees when the relationship is in positive, and it decreases the performance of the employee when it is negative in relationship. Person-environment fit means to what extent an employee fit themselves in any organization or any working environment. This study will be very useful for the owners, tourists, employers of the hospitality and tourism industry. They can use this information to improve their management practices and understand the overall environment of their organization. The employers can use this information to improve their performance, their productivity by providing better services to the national and international visitors. Keeping in view the above facts, I developed the research questions like: to what extent job crafting helps the tourist guides to engage themselves in the environment? The impact of the leader and member relationship, and how fit they feel in the environment. And of course, as it is a reciprocal study, so the next question was: do the work engagement, LMX and person environment fit help a tourist guide to craft its job? And for that, I derived 6 hypotheses like: job crafting is positive related to work engagement, leader-member exchange and person-environment fit, and at the same time work engagement, leader-member exchange and person-environment fit are positive related to the job crafting. This study was cross-sectional and quantitative in nature, and the questionnaires were distributed to 1633 tourist guides, and 311 have responded back. All the data which were collected by convenience random sampling method and using 5-point Likert scale were punched and processed in the latest version of SPSS 25 software and conducted different tests like descriptive statistics, correlation analysis, reliability test and regression analysis. And the result was amazingly that all 6 hypotheses were accepted. The sample size of my study was only limited to 311 respondents, and it suggested that the sample size can be increased while conducting research on these models or the relationship of these selected variables. And secondly, my study was cross-sectional in nature, which means that the data was collected at one point of time, and it is suggested that research can be made by collecting data more than one point of time period. Thirdly, this study focuses only on the direct and reciprocal relationship. It is suggested that future research can aid mediator and moderating variables to investigate these relationships in more detail. Based on the above findings, it is recommended that Government of Pakistan should invest more on the development of tourism sector by encouraging relevant organizations, and special attention should be given to the employees of the tourism industry. And secondly, human capital in the tourism industry can be developed and polished by arranging capacity building seminars, workshops and skill development programs. Thirdly, tourists should be treated well and proper guidance be provided to them for better reputation. And lastly, they should arrange a monthly get together of all the staff, and each staff should be given an opportunity to express themselves, and this will intensify the leader member exchange relationship. Thank you so much.